Hello everyone! Today I'm delighted to announce to you a new feature that's going to be launched for our software in a few days. It's related to AI, artificial intelligence, and I'm going to show you how we've been driving that technology in our software in order to make our user experience easier, more productive, and exciting. We created a new dashboard called Cognitive Dashboard. Here we can see it starts with a blank screen. And why? This is totally different from traditional dashboards, which usually has a lot of information, most of which the user seems not to need. Often find information the user needs requires them to wade through different dashboards or reports. We wanted to reduce this process. So now our users can use our cognitive dashboard, which starts from the ground up and it will be built based on the user's voice commands. Therefore, at the end, we will have a custom dashboard with only the information that we need to see. So let's start and see how it works. I just need to click on the microphone in the top right corner. How many active customers do I have at the moment?
1,759 in August 2019.
How many active customers did I have last month?
1,778 in July 2019.
How many active customers did I have in January, February? Show me using chart.
1,876 in January 2019, 1919 in February 2019.
What was the customer cancellation rate in January, February, March, and April? And show me using a pie chart.
110 in January 2019, 152 in February 2019, 111 in March 2019, 101 in April 2019.
How much was my revenue in January?
190,282.93 in January 2019.
How much was my revenue in January 2019 and January 2018? And show me using a chart.
190,282.93 in January 2019, 198,910.41 in January 2018.
And one important thing to mention here is that we have customers around the world, so we have to work with different languages. So I will switch the language here and see how good is my Spanish. ¿Cuántos clientes activos tengo en este momento?
1,759 en agosto de 2019.
Okay, let's see about Português. Quantos novos clientes eu tive no mês passado?
99 em julho de 2019.
So let's say that this is all the information that I need for my meeting. Now I can print the result, send it by email, or I can even go to the meeting and pull out the necessary information as and when needed. This was just a little demonstration to show how we can use AI to help us to make our task easier. Using this cognitive dashboard, the user will be able to create dynamic dashboards and real-time reports with all the information that they need. If you'd like further information, make a demonstration request at our website and it will be a pleasure to show you more about our company.